Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about preparation of 2,4,6-triboromoaniline. This is a very common particle in organic lab. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. Now I am going to explain about this particle. So the aim of this particle is to study electrophilic substitution reactions, brominations on aniline. What is the principle? Aniline readily undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction by involving the non-bonding electrons present on nitrogens. As NH2 group is ortho and para directing and also ring activating group, there is an increase in electron density at ortho and para positions. Therefore, aniline on bromination gives 2,4,6-triboromoaniline. That is, bromination takes place at 2, 4 and 6 positions. What is the reactions? Electrophilic substitution reactions means brominations. The chemical required for this particle: aniline 5 ml, acetic acid 19 ml, bromine in acetic acid 30 ml. The apparatus: beaker, funnel, measuring jar and glass rod. What is the procedure? Take 5 ml of aniline and 90 ml of glacial acetic acid in conical flask and keep this flask in ice bath, and then add 30 ml of Br2 in acetic acid drop-wise with constant stirring till orange color of bromine persists. Allow the solution to stand at room temperature for 50 minutes. Pour it into the cold water. 2,4,6-triboromoaniline precipitates out and filter. What is the recrystallizations? Ethyl alcohol. For recrystallization you can use ethyl alcohol, and the melting point 120 degrees Celsius. Friends, most important for any organic reaction, you should learn reactions and their mechanisms. So now I am going to show you actually reactions. This is the general reactions. Aniline react with bromine and forming 2,4,6-triboromoaniline. So the formation of electrophile in the mechanism first steps. You see the formation of acetate and then electrophile and then formation of sigma complex. You can see this is the resonance hybrid, and then attack of nucleophile at para positions. You see how Br plus is approaching, and then breaking of these bonds you can see, and then attack Br plus at ortho, and then you can see breaking of these hydrogens, and then aniline again approaching double bonds and shifting of this double bond here. You can see in third bromide Br plus is coming here, and then you can see how 3 bromine actually is coming first para and then 2 positions all. So this is the attack of electrophile in aniline ring. So friends, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.